This is an air conditioning cover our HVAC installer recommended us to buy, so I thought I'd show you a closer look. It comes in a bunch of sizes. None matched our ream perfectly, but it does have the adjustable straps, so it seems secure. One side does open by Velcro pretty far, so that'll make it really easy to get on and off, and also to open it up for maintenance and whatnot. And then that does have buckles as well. This top bit Velcros off as well. The unit just came on and you can see it kind of poofing this up a little, but the air is coming out. No worries whatsoever. And it's got this little bit here to secure that top up and out of the way, but you're not gonna lose it in storage over the summer. So yes, very excited for this to protect our brand new air conditioner. Our HVAC guy who installed it insisted we go ahead and buy one of these protectors. Seems like a really durable material that's gonna help protect this from twigs and leaves and hopefully those pine needles, but time will tell on that one.